Listen up, because some of these passive income ideas are literally printing money right now, and you need to know about them. Forget trading your time for a paycheck. The real goal is to build something once and get paid for it over and over and over again. Think about it. Creating a simple digital product like an ebook or a planner. Or what about a print-on-demand store where you design a t-shirt once and it sells for years? You could even start a YouTube automation channel, create valuable stock photos or videos, or build a niche affiliate website that earns commissions while you sleep. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They are legitimate business models. The key is to start, build that asset, and let it work for you. So, who do you know that needs to hear this? Share this video with them and let's all start building some passive income. Thanks for watching.